Chenro mar gero kar romo mar ohala e kind piny Kenya gi China, gedo mitimo e alap ma Jamhuri. Gedono ma nengone dhi muonyo siling bilion 5 biro bedo kar nyiso mwandu, kar ohala, magawa kod chenro mamoko, kendo yangi ni obiro chiwo thuolo mag tije ne Jo-Kenya maromo 3,000. Jatend piny oyango ni gere Jamhuri en okang' mar miyo ngima kuonde romo mag pur ma chiagi osebedo ka duono e higni mokalo.
Please.
This marks the beginning of the commercialization of facilities available to agricultural shores of Kenya, and I must commend them for the partnership they have created between the private sector and the agricultural shores of Kenya. This facility is going to be built as a joint project between the agricultural shores of Kenya and this investor, because this investor is leasing this land from the agricultural shores of Kenya, which will lead to the commercialization of the facilities we have here. And agricultural shores of Kenya is going to make 10 times the money they have been making from the use of this piece of land. That is the kind of innovation that is going to inform government operations as we go forward, so that we can unlock the big potential that exists in some of the government assets that we have that currently are not being used optimally. We have just concluded agreement with the government of China, with the African continent, on elimination of tariffs on all our agricultural products. And this facility is going to support the export of those products now that tariffs have been removed on those products. We are going to